From our figures, students who graduated over 20 years ago, 51,594 students holding 8 billion have not started paying. Between around 17 years ago to 12 years, we have 23,786,000 students holding 6.6 billion. These students have not started repaying their loans. And these are the students I'm targeting. Between 1 year and 11 years, because of the current challenges and the economic situation, we have about 230,000 students holding about 46,000. Those ones we can say they are in between transition. 46 billion.
Billion.
Yes, they are 26 billion, sorry. So we are saying in between, they are in between jobs and they are still settling down.
Yeah.
So what we are saying, the older students, you can imagine a graduate of 20 years who has not started paying. And we have gone even down to dig in the professions. 11% of active accountants, those are 2,420, are the only ones who are paying. 2,000 have completed paying. We have got 18,000 accountants who are not paying. And these are the people who are in private practice holding various accounting firms. When you come to practicing doctors, we have only 18% paying. These are 2,115. And we have got 11,701 practicing doctors who are not repaying their loans. When you come to lawyers, we have given loans to over 23,000 lawyers. Only 2,644 have repaid their loans. The rest are not servicing their loans. And you can see where the problem is. When people go out in the private sector, then it becomes a problem. Engineers, 24,803. 1,594 have completed their loans, and now only 894 are repaying. The best profession is teachers. Out of the teacher profession, 44,000 teachers are currently repaying. The only ones who are not repaying are around 3,500 who are in employment. So what we are saying is that you can actually see the problem is that Kenyans who are in the private sector who do not have formal employment, that's where our challenge is. And if these Kenyans can be able to repay, the current student will be able to benefit.
So are you certain that some of these professionals, like the lawyers, the engineers, are you certain that they're in gainful employment as you speak?
Most of them are in gainful employment. Most of them.
So what is that hindrance and how are you approaching it so that they start repaying?
That is where we